Okay guys, this is a 1999 Toyota Avalon XLS. What I'm gonna do on this video, I'm gonna show you how to change out the third brake light. I got pulled over the other day for not having a third brake light. Here in Texas, they actually pull you over for that. But it's very easy to change actually. I'm gonna show you how to do that right now. You gotta come into the inside of the car. You gotta open your door to get in, guys. Come over here to the back. This is actually a very simple process to do. So we'll show you so you can know how to do it so you don't mess up your vehicle. Don't mess up your car or anything later on trying to do it when it's so easy to do, man. The reason I say that is because I didn't know how to do it at first, so I actually messed up mine. So that's why I'm giving you advice and saying don't mess up yours. Hold on a minute there. Okay, you see how this is soft? This is actually a bracket goes on there to cover the speaker. I actually broke that because I didn't know how to do it myself the first time that I had to change that. And so I figured I'd make this video. The third brake light's back there, remember? And you have to get that changed. But this is very easy process. All you gotta do is pull this forward. When you pull this forward, there's some clips back there that hook like that into here where the slots are. You got two clips right here. You can try to pry this up, but you might break it. It's easier just to pull this forward, pull this whole thing forward, and it pops right out. I'm gonna show you right here. Just grab it, pull forward. See how that was easy? Came forward. Don't push on this and trying to do it. I broke that speaker protection for doing that. See, it comes off real easy right there. There's your third brake light right here. The wire is unplugged. I had it. It was plugged in, but I unplugged it earlier because I was seeing how I was going to show this video. But here we go. You get this little clip down here. You push in on that little clip in the center. Slide the wire out. There you go. That's simple. Now that you got it out, just twist the light, and it comes right out. This one's good, like I said. Then pull out, just like all the other ones. Pull out, get your new one, replace it in there. Take this back. Here, I'll show you what I did, man. See, this is my speaker protection thing. It's all busted up. I broke it up the first time because I had hell trying to get out. I didn't know. There's these clips right here. They go to these clips right here. They slide right in when you put it in and take it out. And I didn't know that, so I messed it up. So that's why I'm making this video to help y'all out so y'all don't do the same thing. Now, just put that back in. Line it up. It's lined up. Make sure you plug the wire back in. The wire just slips right back in. That's simple. These clips, you line them up with those slots right there. There's one on each side. Once you got lined up with the slots, make sure when you're gonna push this side down as you push in so it can catch the clips. You'll know if you caught those little clips down there. Okay, there's little clips down there I was telling you, those right there. You're gonna know if you catch them, you'll feel it. You can even look down from the front, but hold this down, push forward. Right there, the clip, see? Don't come up. That's how easy it is to change the third brake light on there. And you saves you from getting pulled over. And like I said the first time, see how I broke that frame so all the thing coming out, because I was like, how do I get in there? I was trying to yank this off, thinking, well, maybe there's a screw under. I was trying to pull this off. This is actually screwed on there. Watch. You can't see it from there. So I'll pull it back off and show you. That's how easy it comes off. See, the speaker cover that I broke, I was trying to yank it off because I thought I was able to get into the light, to get to the light from there, which I couldn't. And there's actually some screws that hold that cover, and I didn't know at the time. So don't go trying to yank that thing off. You got these two clips, and they hook up to right here. Boom, boom. It slides right in, and the two clips on the bottom slide into this, which is these two clips right here. This clip, and then you got this clip Those are gonna slide in when you put it. Like I said, it's so easy. You just make sure you line up the clip, drop it down right there. Can even be done with one hand. Once you got it in there like that, just push down on the bottom, push in. There it is. It's in there. I mean, too bad I broke mine before I learned, but I guess I could have looked it up. There might be a video on there already, I don't know. But I decided to make this one since I had that experience. So now, so you know, guys, that's how easy it is to change your third brake light. Very simple. I mean, the video could have been 1 minute long if I wanted to, but I'm talking away right here. Then you got your third brake light changed already. So you're good to go. Thanks for watching my videos. Keep an eye out. I'll be having more videos I make to help people out on this vehicle so they can do stuff they got to do. Subscribe to my channel if you would. I'm at Global Effect 1969 on YouTube. Thank you for watching.